Primetime News this evening, more voter apathy concerns. Hopewell High School principal still in custody following Borsa's murder. And the Prime Minister promises quick turnaround time for houses on the social program.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and a special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Kalisha Williams with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Kalisha, for those persons who expressed interest in the recent Cygnus preference share offer, I'll have the details of the basis of allotment, so you'll know how much you'll get depending on how much you actually ordered. So I'll have those details in the financial week later on.
And Jordan Fort is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Jordan.
Well, Giovanni, the big story in sport today that the Jamaica Tallowers franchise owners have chosen to give up the franchise, and there'll be no Jamaica Tallowers in the CPL for next year. I'll have the details on the ramifications of all this in a Primetime Sports Friday.
And a little later on, Romain will have the weather report.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we're asking, how satisfied are you with the measures implemented by the police to ensure law and order during the busy Christmas season?
Now you can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.